Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Hello guys, in the previous 3 videos we have learned how we can insert, read and delete information from real-time database. Now in this video we are going to learn how we can update information in real-time database. So let us start. We have a button btn update, set on click listener, on click listener, and here I will make a coding. So first of all I am checking the information those I am adding is empty or not. So the same code I have to copy from here because we are going to update the information like this. So I check whether it is empty or not, and if it is not empty then we will do something else. If the empty, then we will do something else. So we say here toast that please insert information first. Please insert information. But if the information is available, then we have to create a map which say update data, and that would be the map of, and here in the map I say string versus a string we want, and here we want to add some information like first one was name, so I say name to name, then we say course to course. We are just mapping the information for changing it. Then we are saying branch to branch, and then last one is marks to as marks dot to string, like this. So data is available. Now we have to update the information. So I say my ref dot child name is s name, then update children, the information is update data dot add on success listener if successfully insert updated, or add on failure listener. So what we have to give here, so failure listener, and here I will give that record not student information not updated, or here we say that information updated, like this. So we have done, and after update we can clear also all the fields. So we can do the one thing also, we can do this one, and I say that clear the information also, like this. We clear all the information and then we give the information. So once again run it. Now you see the information is not available because we have deleted in previous video. So first of all I have to insert, so I say Vipin, then course name, suppose we write MTech, here we write CS, and here we write marks, and I say insert. Now if I see the information is inserted, but in place of MTech if I want to change the PSG, so what I will do, I will give the information and here I just write the PhD, and here I write the branch, and here I write the mass like this, and I say update. You see information updated, and in place of MTech the PhD has been changed. All other are same. So in similar way you can update your information from real-time database as per your requirement. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching my video.